Unbox this MI power bank 2i. On the front side there is actual image of this power bank. On the top there is branding of MI. Some specifications are given. Written MI power bank 2i 20,000 mAh and the security code is given. On the other side MI power bank 2i 20,000 mAh again. At the back side some specifications are given, such as the input, the output voltage, the input voltage, the product name, cell capacity, MRP and many more. It is a made in India product. So now we will unbox this. So now we will open this. There is a seal here. So in this box there is a main power bank which has two external and one input with 4 LEDs, one USB cable to charge your devices, and the user manual for some instructions. We will test this power bank. I have a smartphone and this USB cable and the power bank. First we will put that USB pin into the power bank, then the micro USB pin into the smartphone. As soon as I put the micro USB pin, the screen starts. So as you can see, it's charging 38%. Charging 38%. So it's and the LED indicator also LED indicator is showing that it is charging. If you like this product, you can buy it from the link given in description. So it's our unboxing. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe and comment in the comment box on YouTube, and click on the bell icon for more updates. Workshop for more, and click on the bell icon for more updates. Below.